Here is a wonderful 2023 Honda CR-V. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.